The JBL Flip 7 is finally here, promising bigger sound, better battery life, and smarter features. I have spent some time with this speaker, tested it in different scenarios, and in this video I'll be giving you the full breakdown. So let's get right to it. Inside the box, we have this white pack that contains the JBL Quick Start Guide, the safety and warranty card, a carabiner, and then the Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker. The Flip 7 is available in 6 colors: the blue, the red, the white, the black, the camel, and the purple color. Priced at $150 or around 200,000 naira if you're buying it here in Nigeria. The JBL Flip 7 still rocks the signature cylindrical shape, which makes it easy to throw in a bag or hold in one hand. But there are some small but noticeable refinements. The mesh fabric is now slightly thicker. It looks and feels more premium and durable. Being IP68 rated, not only is the Flip 7 waterproof and can be submerged in up to 1 meter depth of fresh water for 30 minutes, it is also dust-proof and drop-proof from 1 meter height on concrete or hardwood. And this makes the speaker one of the most durable portable speakers out there. That said, please do not go about intentionally throwing your speaker to avoid stories that touch. The JBL logo is still bold, just like on the Flip 6. The buttons are more tactile and easier to press. Buttons for volume control and the play/pause button sit at the top of the speaker, slightly raised out of the speaker's body. There is a small console directly beside it that holds the power button, the Bluetooth button, and the Auracast button for linking other Auracast-enabled speakers together for even punchier sound. The bottom part of the speaker, which is expected to be the base, however, took a new look entirely from what we had on the Flip 6. On the Flip 7, JBL modified the base by including this lanyard, which can be replaced with the carabiner we saw earlier in the pack, or even removed entirely if you don't like the idea of a holder. Personally, I think this new lanyard/carabiner modification is beautiful and useful for easy carriage. To remove or replace the lanyard, just press down the button here and it releases the lanyard or the carabiner. To replace one with the other, while pressing down the button, insert it in and release the button just like this. Easy peasy. There is a slight silicone bump here as well that serves as a wedge to prevent the speaker from rolling over when placed flat on a surface like this. We also have the Flip 7 written just beside it here. We have the charging light indicator and the Type-C charging ports as well. The other features of this speaker can be accessed from the companion app, the JBL Portable app. The app is easy to use and light in features. There is a new firmware version of the speaker available, so ensure you update to the latest version from the app when you get the speaker to ensure optimal performance. Using the app, we get an equalizer with 5 presets, the JBL signature sound, the chill, the energetic, and the vocals, plus the ability to create your own sound with the custom option. The app is also where you will get the Playtime Boost feature, a feature that extends the speaker's battery life by disabling EQ while boosting volume. The Flip 7 is also one of the latest JBL devices to feature the Auracast technology, which is a new way to share audio across devices. It has a 4800 mAh battery, and on paper you can get up to 14 hours of music playback out of the speaker, and an additional 2 hours when you enable the Playtime Boost on the app. Like I said earlier, the Playtime Boost is a feature we have on the JBL Portable app that when enabled, it boosts the volume but saves the battery by disabling the equalizer. I listened to my favorite playlist at max volume for 2 hours and I was still able to use it for at least 2 hours for like 4 days before charging it. Charging is done via the USB-C port and there is fast charging support, so you can get a few hours of playback from just a short charge session. Just like the new Charge 6, JBL also upgraded the connectivity on the Flip 7, now featuring Bluetooth 5.4. With this, we now have a more stable connection, so no more annoying drops or glitches when walking away from your phone, lower power consumption, which helps to prolong battery life. But the real game changer when it comes to this speaker's connectivity is the multi-point connection that lets 2 people connect their phones at the same time and take turns playing music without disconnecting. Perfect for parties or get-togethers when everyone wants to be the DJ. When it comes to the sound quality, JBL claims the Flip 7 delivers deeper bass and more balanced audio. But here is what I have to say about the sound quality after using this speaker. 1. JBL did upgrade the bass, which delivered noticeably deeper and punchier bass, and the redesigned tweeter dome definitely makes a difference. 2. The speaker's drivers enhance clearer mids and better overall performance. 3. It has refined tuning. The highs sound smoother and less harsh even at max volume. In a nutshell, vocals sound clearer, bass hits harder, and the overall sound feels fuller compared to the Flip 6. If you love Afrobeat, hip-hop, or any bass-heavy music, you will appreciate this upgrade. Although you will get to experience a little distortion or weak bass on some songs. Also, the speaker doesn't give an immersive experience, which I believe is because it is a mono speaker, and as such it has this limitation. However, for a small mono speaker, this speaker sounds bigger than it looks. Using a copyright-free YouTube audio, this is what the speaker sounds like. You might need to use your headphones or speaker to listen to this audio for you to get a better sound of this speaker.
But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you get help.
Using this speaker indoors, the sound fills a medium-sized room with ease, even at 50% volume. When used outside, the bass holds up surprisingly well, and it gets loud enough for small gatherings. In summary, JBL has taken an already solid speaker and made it even better. While it doesn't reinvent the wheel, the Flip 7 refines the experience in all the right ways. If you're out there looking for a powerful, portable, and reliable Bluetooth speaker, then this one is definitely worth considering. But if you want something bigger with more output, you may want to check out the new JBL Charge 6, which I'll be reviewing later on this channel. If you enjoyed this review, please do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.